So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can remove the similarity index or plagiarism from your content or your thesis or any of your academic work or even any other kind of text. For that purpose, we'll basically discuss two methods. The first one is using the ChatGPT. For that purpose, you have to open up your ChatGPT account, and after that you have to give it the prompt that I'm writing. So you have to write here, I want you to rewrite the given content to remove the similarity index or plagiarism. And we also have to write a note, please don't add or remove anything, just rephrase. And just send this prompt, and after that start giving it the content that has the similarity index. For example, this paragraph, copy it and simply give it to ChatGPT and send this, and it will start rephrasing it. This will 100% remove the similarity index or plagiarism from your content. You can paste even more content. I've given it just for an example. You can paste even number of pages at once to ChatGPT. So this was the first method. Now moving towards the second one, you have to go to Google and write here paraphrasing-tool.com, paraphrasingtool.com. And this website will appear up, which is the best paraphrasing tool I've used so far. This is not any kind of paid promotion. I have been using this tool for many years. That's why I'm suggesting it to you. This tool rephrases the content and removes the plagiarism or similarity index without making the content irrelevant with a great sense. So here, let's paste the same paragraph for removing the plagiarism. Just paste here. Keep in mind that this tool accepts up to 250 words per one iteration in its free version. If you want to paste more than 250 words or more iteration, you can buy its premium subscription. So click on paraphrase. Don't mess with any of the settings. Keep it as it is. And as soon as it rephrases it, you can simply copy this content with closed eyes, and after that just paste it in the document. Now you can adjust the formatting thing. And if you don't want the formatting to go to the hell, you can simply copy the content like this. This way, this will be copied with the document formatting. So that's how you can remove the plagiarism or similarity index or even AI detection from your documents or from your thesis, research papers, or any kind of content. Now, if you want me to do this work for you in a professional way, fast, accurate, and with guaranteed results, you can reach me directly on this Instagram account. Just send me a message here and we'll discuss your project. Please keep in mind that this is going to be a paid service, so serious inquiries only. Now, if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.